Welcome. In this video, we will be walking through how to connect to a vehicle, trailer, or shipment within the Geotab Drive app. So now that we are logged into the app, we are on the Select Vehicle window where we will need to connect to the vehicle. It is possible that you may already see a list of vehicles below the field, and if the correct vehicle that you need is there, go ahead and select it. Otherwise, you will need to search for that vehicle in the Find Vehicle section. To search for a vehicle, you're going to search by vehicle name, VIN, or serial number. In this case, I'm going to enter in my vehicle name of Hawk and press my Enter key. And it is searching for options of Hawk. I will select it. And we are now on the asset screen. And we can see that we are attached to the vehicle named Hawk. In the event that this was not the correct vehicle, we could remove it by clicking the X on the right-hand side. If I needed to attach any trailers to my vehicle, within the trailers section of this screen, I would simply click the blue plus sign. I have the ability to search for trailers by name. Additionally, pre-populated trailers may appear, and if these are the appropriate ones, we would select from here. In this case, I am going to select the Iceman blue trailer, and now that information will populate at the top. Again, I can remove it if needed by clicking the X or continue if it is correct. I will go ahead and click the continue button, and we can see that added here under the trailers section. If we have any shipment information that does need to be added, in the shipment section, we will add in that information by clicking that blue plus sign and completing the shipment log. Within the shipment log, you will need the shipper name, the commodity, and a shipment document number. I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information now. And click my add button. That shipment information now appears at the top, and the same as before, you can remove it if needed or continue. If you do have additional logs that need to be added, you can still add additional shipments by filling out the log again and clicking add. For now, I'm only going to leave the one shipment, so I'm going to click the continue button at the top. We are back on the asset screen where we can review our vehicle, trailer, and shipment selections. If this is all correct, we're going to click the Save and Continue button. We are now on the Asset Inspection screen. This screen is used if you are required to do any pre-trip inspections within the Geotab Drive app. However, we will be doing a deep dive into asset inspections in a later video, so for now we're going to skip this by clicking the Skip Remainder button at the bottom. And we are now back at the dashboard of the app. Within the dashboard, there's many great features such as hours of service, asset inspections, messages, routes, and much more, all of which we will be talking through in another video as well. So for now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.